Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and attach power so it boots fully. Once powered, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend the device to use. This is how Discovery works. Open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account that will manage devices. Tap Add, then Set Up Device. The app scans for the new Chromecast. This first handshake establishes a secure channel for configuration, so don't skip it. Once the app finds the Chromecast, confirm the on-screen code that appears on your TV so you know you're connecting to the right unit. Then choose a room and a clear name. This helps voice commands work reliably. Enter the Wi-Fi password for the network if requested, and allow the device to download updates. These improve stability. Make sure to enable Google Assistant and any guest mode you prefer. These options determine how you'll cast and control the device later. To finish test casting, open YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and pick your Chromecast. Speak a command like, "Hey Google, play music in living room" to confirm assistant control. If casting or voice control fails, make sure both devices remain on the exact same network and restart the router and Chromecast. Network isolation often breaks pairing. If problems persist, unlink the device in Google Home and re-add it, or perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast's button. This clears pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.